Hello, good morning everybody. So today we'll continue with the play of Pygmalion. We know it's a typical scene, okay, and the thing is that Pickering, Higgins and Lisa, they all are there in the office where Higgins ka office is, where Higgins ka home is. They all are there. Now they had put a bet, okay, remember in the earlier acts when we did, they had put a bet. ये लोग कोई शरत लगाई थी कि अगर गार्डन पार्टी में अगर लीजा ने कोई ओळखी न गયું, अगर लीजा पकड़ाणी नहीं तो आ बेट कौन जीती जશે? हिगिन्स जीती जશે. ओके, सो आ बेट कंप्लीट करवा माटे they had all gone there. Okay, so first it was the the garden party, then there was dinner party, and then there was opera. So naturally all of them were really tired, okay, because what happened was that it was a long day and there was too much to do in one day. Okay, ઘણી બધી વસ્તુ એક દિવસ માટે કરવાની હતી. લાઈક એ લોકો ગાર્ડન પાર્ટીમાં ગયા હતા, ડિનર પાર્ટીમાં ગયા હતા, ઓપેરામાં ગયા હતા, તો આટલી બધી વસ્તુ એ લોકો એક સાથ કરી હતી. So they all were very tired. They have returned back to Higgins ka ghar. Okay, Higgins is tired, Pickering is tired, okay, even Lisa is tired. So now what happens is that we come to know from the actions of Lisa that Lisa is angry about something. What is she angry about? We'll come to know in the story ahead, but she is really angry. Okay, and she doesn't say anything. She's just showing actions so that people realize that okay, aane gusso aave che, oh, she's angry, like that. So what happens is that Pickering says that Lisa has done really well, okay, that nobody was able to recognize Lisa, and Lisa has done a beautiful job in the garden party because she behaved properly, she spoke properly, her dressing was proper, her style was proper, her grace was proper, everything was top to bottom, everything was proper. So there was no doubt whatsoever that Lisa is going to get caught in anything. So Lisa does not get caught. At this point of time, Higgins is asking for his slippers. He's finding the slippers, and Lisa comes and gives the slippers. Now we come to know from the actions of Lisa that she's angry. So Higgins naturally asks Lisa that why are you angry? Why are you behaving like this? So she says, I feel like killing you, I feel like slapping you, I feel like throwing these chappals at you. So Higgins says, don't dare you talk to me like that. Okay, મારી હારે આ વર્તનમાં તારે વાત નથી કરવાની. You can't talk to me like that. Okay, what is the matter with you? You can tell me. But I deserve respect. Don't talk to me like this. So he gets angry and Lisa tells him that what is supposed to be done of me? Now what? Okay, I already proved I was just a stupid bet for you. Right? I was just a stupid promise for you. I was just a stupid bet for you. હું તારા માટે ખાલી એક શરત હતી. તું એ શરત જીતી ગયો અને હવે તારે મારી હારે કાંઈ લેવા દેવા નહીં હોય. હવે તું મને એમ કહીશ કે ભાઈ તું બોરિયા બિસ્તર બાંધને વહી જા. I know this attitude of yours. You are going to do that to me. So Higgins says that why are you getting worried? Like what is worrying you? Look at you. You are so beautiful. You look so lovely. You look so nice. You look so pretty. Like if anyone looks at you, any boy would want to marry you. Okay, and I am telling you, you will get a nice boy to get married, meaning rich boy. Okay, so she says, now what am I supposed to do? I can't go back to selling flowers because I am now a lady. Okay, I am now a lady. I can't go back to selling flowers in the society again because that is not what is expected of me. So what am I supposed to do? Like nobody is going to give me the job also, like the flower job also. So Higgins is like, why are you getting worried and all? You know I am there and this and that. Okay, so this was where we had last stopped. Okay, and we will continue ahead. Okay, so what happens was that Higgins tells Lisa that don't worry, you can go back to doing a job at the florist shop. તારે જે ફ્લાવરની